So this is my Senegence look for today. Skin treatments that I do before my foundation. So I put the eye cream and then I put a little bit of the Neotite, just dab that on. And then I put the foundation I used in tan and I just put that all over. And of course I did the Candlelight as my concealer, just dab that around. I put the concealer a little bit there, a little bit down here, just wherever you have like a little bit of redness or discoloration, a little bit in here, but it also helps to like tighten. So it gives a nice tighter look, lifted look. So all of their products actually do that. So they all work great. It's like skincare and makeup together. So I have the Cineplex foundation in tan, the Candlelight, it's a shadow, but everyone uses it as a concealer. It just works really well. So I have that on. For eyeshadow, I wanted to try some new colors. Eyeshadow, I have to put these on because I can't see it, then I'll show you the colors. So first I used the Raspberry Glaze Shimmer. I mixed with a little bit of the Pink Frost. I put that on my lid. So I don't know if you can see that. So these two colors I mixed together. Sometimes I just mix it on my hand and then just dab it on. But you can like dab one, dab the other. Like it works kind of the same. Although I do like to mix it first and then dab it on. So I have those two colors on first. Then I did add Desert Rose on top. So I added Desert Rose all over here. Just dabbed up, right up into the crease a little bit, right over there, you can see. So that was Desert Rose, and I just dabbed it with my finger. I didn't even really use a brush. They blend really well. Of the colors that I used, so you can see. So the first one is the Pink Frost, then that's the Raspberry Glaze Shimmer, and then that's the Desert Rose. That's the one I did on the outer corner. And the last one is the Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, that nice glittery, like shimmery gold. Really pretty. And that one I dabbed right in the middle. So I used these three colors and I actually mixed these, well, the Raspberry Glaze Shimmer and the Desert Rose, and just rimmed my eye with it. Just rimmed it around. So these are the colors I used. I did use a little bit of black pencil, my Ninja pencil, to rim the inside of my lid on the top. And of course I have mascara on. I did use their primer. I used their primer, and today I used the volumizing mascara. So these two on my eyes. So that's the look I have on. I have all these shadows mixed together. I mean, so simple. It looks complex because it's all these colors, but it really is just dabbing one, dabbing two together, putting the other one on the outer corner colors. And I also did use on my cheeks, I have in my Golden Nudes palette, I always use this bronzer. I love it. This is the Clove. You can buy it by itself, or you can get it in this set. It's just like a nice neutral set. I use this bronzer. I just brush it all over. It looks good on everybody. It's so cool. It's just a nice neutral bronzing color. I did my nude sticks, my Pink Frost. I just dabbed that on my cheeks on top of the bronzer. And I also dabbed a little bit right on the outer part of my eye, like right under my eyebrow. And that gives it a little bit of lift too. And of course I went on top of here. So I do have a little bit of the nude stick on, the nude stick blush. So on my lips, I have nude pink. It's hard for me to see it. Nude pink. I have the Sand Gloss nude pink and the glow stick. So I put the nude pink on first. This is one of the new colors. It's very nude, but it's not too nude where it looks like I have foundation or concealer on my lips. So I have the nude pink lip sense. Then I put on the Sand Gloss from Nude Stick, put that on top, and I topped it off just because I like a little dimension. I used the glow stick, one of the shadow sticks, which I don't really love on the eyes. I mean, it's not bad, it's just not my favorite, but I use that right on top. So I just put a little bit on top of my lips. You can dab out your finger or you can just leave it. It kind of blends in really easy. So I'm pretty sure this is champagne. It's impossible to see it. So the glow stick right on top. So nude pink, sand gloss, and the glow stick champagne right on top. So that's mostly my Senegence face, but I incorporated other products too. And if you have any questions, just text me, email me, I'll help you out. But this is super easy to do.